Hey, what's up, guys? It's Thursday. I hope you guys caught the live stream yesterday. If not, I'm sure they're playing it. And guess what YouTube did? They demonetized it before it was even finished. I guess they don't like you to talk about radios and technology. Good kind of stuff. If you missed the live stream, you missed your chance for a giveaway. So, for those of you who did enter, the correct answer was the $6 Million Man. I was a huge Steve Austin fan. Battlestar Galactica would have been next. Yeah, I've got the hiccups. I've had them for 2 days now. Anyway, it's dollar store teardown time. Ta-da! Oh boy. Motion Brite. Motion activated stick-up light. As seen on TV. And you know, if it's been seen on TV, it has to be right. No tools, no wiring, just peel and stick. Distributed by Spark Innovations from Fairfield, New Jersey. All right. Let's see if we can't. Oh, that's nice of them to include the little pull strip so you don't cut yourself trying to get through this impenetrable plastic bubble packing. God damn. Okay. There's instructions in the package, but I'll be damned if I know how to get to them. Remember, kids, violence is always the answer. So what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Not much. So here it is. And it weighs nothing. Oh, come on. Sorry about the hiccups, guys. It has to do with my congestive heart failure. 7.5 inches. By 1.1 by a little over half. Or for those of you the continental type who have yet to land a man on the moon, 19 centimeters by about 27 centimeters by about 15 centimeters. If it's kilometers, why isn't it centimeters? You know? Okay, looks like we got 3 latches. So no, that's definitely how you get in. One moment. No, that's not how you get in. But, yeah, I should have read better. So, four AA batteries. And it says when they go in, It should light for 30 seconds. Oh, pardon me, guys. And it does. It is not terribly bright, but in a completely darkened environment, I'm sure it'll be great. Okay, let's take us into a dark room. All right, I believe it's off. Let's sneak up on it. Yep, it found us. It didn't take much to detect my presence. I wonder what sort of interesting circuitry we'll find, huh? Never know. Man. Make it hard to get these batteries in and out. Alright, how are we going to get her open? Doesn't feel like there's any latches in there. All right, let me see if I can figure out how to open it. All right, it just popped off. No problem. Couple screws. Looks like 10 LEDs. Jeez. I'm clumsy today. Yeah, I'd like to get it out without breaking it if I can. Oh, I see. There's little clips here. So hopefully I can remove the clips. Hold on. They're off. I think. Yeah. Just have to move it off of those mounting brackets. Yeah, very nice. Oh, and you can actually see what that chip says. Maybe. Let me see over here. Hold on. I don't know if you guys could read it or not, but it is a BISS 0001, which is a PIR, passive infrared controller chip. So there's our PIR under that cap there. Our 10 LEDs with a current limiting resistor. We got a, what does that say? 100 microfarad cap. Couple transistors. These are all blank jumpers. Lots and lots of capacitors. Tell you what, I'll just put a picture up there of the circuit diagram. Okay. Use the bench power supply. Oh, geez. pardon me, bench power supply at 5 volts and a half amp. Yep. And we'll see if we can get her to roll. Board is marked. Which side is positive, which side is negative. This is our positive side there with a big old diode. If a board's not marked, finding a diode is always a good idea of which side is which. Oh yeah, lights up real nice. Okay. I wonder if we can see the signal output on the oscilloscope. Okay, I got everything rigged up here. I just tacked on a couple of wires to the ends to mount my clips to. We got the scope set up at 50 millivolts per division. That way we'll be able to see what kind of signal it's getting. It's AC coupled. And if we look over here, I got the power supply set up. And the thing will only go on for 30 seconds. So that's why the power supply is not on. Alright, menu off. Power it up. And take a look at the scope. Alright, now if I can get over here and hit stop. There we go. Now we can measure it. Get our cursors out. Mode. Manual. And we're going to do voltage. So cursor A. We'll knock out those outlying pulses. Oh, hey, that's the wrong bang. Better hit the right one, Paul, huh? We'll see right about there. And our delta V is 158 millivolts of pulse going into that. And, yeah. Alright, one last test. Let's check the current. Alright, for checking our current, we're going to use the O1 multimeter along with the delicious ProbeMaster probes. Excuse me. And what we'll do is we'll take a high side reading here. So power supply to the positive probe of the scope. Negative probe of the scope to the light strip. I'm going to put it here where you can see it and power it up. And I'm confused. Hold on. We'll try low side this time. And power. And we get 83.1 milliamps. Let's try reading across an individual LED. Oh, my goodness gracious. So power's off. We'll connect that up. We'll take our crock clips off. And we'll try and get a reading across one of the LEDs. Okay. There we go. Wow, 230 milliamps across an LED. Let's see what kind of voltage we're getting. Excuse me. Crazy hiccups. Okay, here we go. Power. It can't be right. 3.2. There we go. 1.79. So, that's pretty cool. $2 from the dollar store. Yeah, throw this in your garage, in your shed. And you got a nice little motion sensing light. All right, before I hiccup myself to death, thank you for watching. Thanks again for all of you who put up with the live stream. That's it. I'm out. Peace.